This is tutorial number 64, and it covers how to select a material within PhotoWorks. To start off, let's open up a part file. Let's click File, and let's click the PhotoWorks tutorial part, which I've included on the DVD. Now what we're going to do in this tutorial is we're going to apply a material to this object. Now to start off, let's make sure that we have the PhotoWorks add-in installed. So let's click Tools, click Add-ins, and make sure that you have the PhotoWorks add-in installed. Once you have that installed, click OK. And now we're going to begin selecting a material for this object. So to start off, let's click the PhotoWorks tab here. And we're able to select from the materials. So open up the materials box, and we can choose from any of these categories. So to start off, let's open up the metals, click Chrome, and below you're able to see a preview of what it's going to look like. So you can see the Chrome preview here. If we click bronze, you can see it's a different kind. So let's click Chrome, click the first one, double click on it, and now we've selected it over the whole part. So let's click OK. Now click PhotoWorks, click Render, and now it's going to apply that material into the PhotoWorks environment. And you can see the part now is made of chrome in the PhotoWorks environment. Now let's go back and let's change the material to another kind. So let's click the PhotoWorks option, open up the materials, and now let's change the chrome plate. We're going to change it to a different kind. So let's click the tab, and this time let's try the bronze. Let's click bronze, let's click the brush bronze, so let's double click on it. And now the whole part's going to be made out of brush bronze. Click accept, click PhotoWorks, click render, and now we can see the whole part this time being made in bronze. And now we can see the part in the PhotoWorks environment using the bronze material. Now let's click on this tab again. Let's choose the chrome, and let's choose the chrome that we started with. So let's double click on it, and let's make the whole part made out of chrome. Click OK. Now click on it again, double click on the chrome, and this time we're going to change the surface finish. So let's click it, and right now it's set to none, but we're able to give it indentations and dimples. So let's click on dimpled, click OK. Now when we go to render it, it's going to have dimples within the material. And now you can see that we're back to the chrome material, and it has dimples within the chrome. Now let's say we wanted to change the dimpled to a tread pattern. All we have to do is click the PhotoWorks tab again, double click on chrome plate, and for the surface finish, we'll change it to tread plate. Click OK. Let's render it again, and now this time it's going to have a tread pattern on the material. And now you can see in the PhotoWorks within the environment, it's rendering a chrome part with the tread pattern on it. And that concludes our tutorial on how to apply a material within PhotoWorks in SOLIDWORKS.